Okay, so this is it. I think I did something wrong because I think the beans are supposed to have like a thicker, there's supposed to be like a sauce to it. Or again, I might be confusing stewed peas to this, but the turkey is nice and juicy. The beans are cooked, but I need a little bit more sauce. Maybe I added too much water, I don't know. Maybe I need to let it cook down some more. But then we'll give the taste test of what we have here. But like I said, I think I need a thicker kind of sauce.
A thicker sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, this is very hot.
Very hot.
Love. Jamaican people love hot food. Like if it now burn off them tongue.
It just come off the stove.
This is how all Jamaicans eat them food.
Man. Blow on it.
Blow on it so them don't get a 2nd degree burn on them tongue.
Did you get at least one bean in the bite?
Yeah. It's hard for me to say because I don't know what it's supposed to taste like or what you're going for.
Exactly.
But there's a nice salt to it.
Neither of us have had it, but it looks good.
I could see what you're saying.
With
a sauce, but
it looks good, tastes good, but I'm missing something. I know.
It might not be authentic or the way it's intended, but it is good.
So comment below if you watch this video and you were like, oh girl, you missed adding flour or something. Again, in Jamaica, we add coconut milk, but this is very African diaspora. So big up to all my African diaspora all over. We eating somebody's food tonight. All right, my people. So this is with the sauce, okay? It just needed to cook down a little bit more. And now I have that like gravy, yeah. And again, no coconut milk, but it did thicken up because of the beans. Good job.